Hello, my name is Priyanka. I'm working with Dana and Jahanara and we are from Dubai College. We will be explaining Newton's law of gravity and motion in this video. The person who figured out this law was Isaac Newton. He was one of the greatest scientists and mathematicians that ever lived. He was born in England on December 25, 1643. He was born at the same year as Galileo died, the person who invented the telescope. Isaac Newton lived for 85 years.
So how did Isaac Newton find out about the laws of gravity? It certainly didn't just come to him.
Maybe it did.
One fine day he was sitting under a tree doing practically nothing, which doesn't really work nowadays. And when he was sitting under the tree, an apple fell down. Not so surprising, right? But something hit his thoughts and he started to ponder about why did it fall to the ground instead of falling upwards. So he decided to do some investigations to figure it out.
This is one example out of the 3 apples that changed the world, which were 1. Adam and Eve's apple, secondly, the apple that fell in front of Isaac Newton, and apple I and C.
The 3 laws of motion were: 1. An object in motion will always continue in motion unless stopped by a force.
The second was force equals mass times acceleration.
And lastly, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Newton knew that the force that caused the apple's acceleration, in other words gravity, must be dependent upon the mass of the apple. And since the force acting to cause the apple's downwards acceleration also caused the Earth's upwards acceleration, the third Newton law.
The force must also depend upon the mass of the Earth. So for Newton, the force of gravity acting between the Earth is directly proportional to the mass of the Earth. It is also directly proportional to the mass of the object, but it is inversely proportional to the square of distance that separates the center of the object to the Earth.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you liked it and give it a thumbs up.